Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at St. John the Evangelist Catholic School here in Fenton, Michigan. I'm inside one of their front lobbies at the school entrance. And I spoke to the 4th through 8th graders, students and staff in the main church sanctuary just a little while ago. And the main focus for today's message was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at the heart first. And if you look right here at their mission statement for the school, it talks about how it's a faith-based community dedicated to teaching, learning, and living as Jesus did, just as Christ did. And so we really tried to hammer home the idea that we see everybody for their heart before anything else, right? Through the same eyes as Christ sees all of us. In 1 Samuel 16:7, it says that so many times we look at the outward appearance, at the outside of someone, but Christ always looks at the heart. And our heart's as big as our fist. And if we are able to let love, peace, compassion, respect, Christ fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? One finger for ourselves, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. But also two, because in just 2 seconds, what we say or do, positive or negative, can stay on someone's heart for the rest of their lives. So we really want to focus on turning any hurt that we have, any pain, the hurt people who hurt people that we mentioned in the presentation, into healed people who heal people. And like it says in Isaiah 53, by his wounds we are healed. Through his ultimate sacrifice, his ultimate act of kindness, dying on the cross for all of us, we are saved, and we're also able to experience that healing that Christ can give all of us if we allow him to fully enter all of our hearts. We also spoke on the need to see everybody for this before anything else too, which is miracles. Like it says on the front of my shirt, we all have the letter M on each of our hands with the lines of our hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy. And in Isaiah 49 it says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands, and this right here is the proof. And we as Catholics, as Christians, know this, but so many students and people that I speak to all across this country, they really don't believe that, or maybe they forgot that. So it's up to us to not only believe that we're good enough, but then go help others see that they're great enough too. Be the light to their heart, to choose kindness, to choose love, to choose respect, and make sure that we have the courage to stand up for what's right. And what's right is to show everybody around us compassion, right? Treat everybody like we treat our brothers and sisters. And that's really what I tried to reinforce throughout today's program, that we take it a step further and use the lens of Christ's eyes as we look around and see people around us. And I had quite a few students that came up to me after the program that just, some were in tears, and some wanted to share their heart with me, saying that, you know, what I spoke on, and some of the stories, some of the videos that the Holy Spirit spoke through me today had really touched their heart. And I said, well, if it touched your heart, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat others going forward, to treat others just like you would treat your own best friend. And if we can treat everybody like we treat our best friend, see them for their heart before anything else, I really don't think we have the bullying problem that we definitely see in today's world. So again, thank you everybody for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Hope to be back again in the near future to speak with you. For now, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out this amazing playlist of inspirational videos by clicking on that link there. And check out my website too, as you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Much love, Christ's peace.